Uline's H2307 Gym Wipes dispenser dispenses both antibacterial gym wipes and Centerpull wipers, ideal for use in gyms and repair shops. This video will show how to load both gym wipes and Centerpull wipers into the dispenser. To load the antibacterial gym wipes, mount the dispenser with the opening facing up. Before loading the wipes, cut a small V-shaped opening in the top of the bag of the pre-moistened wipes, keeping the wipes inside the bag. Insert the key and turn clockwise to open the dispenser. Place the bag inside the dispenser with the hole you've cut facing up and feed the wipes into the opening to begin dispensing. Close the cover. For use with Centerpull wipers, mount the dispenser with the opening facing down. To load the S11740 Centerpull wipers, open the dispenser. Load the roll and pull the paper from the center through the opening on the bottom of the dispenser. Close the cover. Whatever your janitorial supply needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.